What can you expect when the InfoWest fiber team comes to your home? First, the team will trench and lay conduit so we can pull fiber through. We will also install what is known in the industry as a flower pot. This protects your internet connection and ensures you stay connected 24/7. Next, we will pull fiber from our vault to your home, connecting the fiber strand from your home to ultimately make a connection to our data center. Sometimes this step will happen before your installation. Usually it will take place while your home installation technician sets up your router as other team members work outside. Our installation scheduling department will let you know. We will mount an ONT, or optical network terminal, to your home or inside your media panel. The ONT converts light signals to an internet connection that your router can understand. InfoWest team members will then splice the fiber, and once connected, they will check to ensure you're getting sufficient light to transfer data. Finally, we will connect the ONT to your router and set up your Wi-Fi name and password. At InfoWest, we always make sure to leave your home better than we found it.